Sometimes the biggest puzzles aren't spelled out for us. They're hidden in plain sight, scattered across a bunch of silent symbols. Today, we're going to decode a secret message that connects some images you would never, ever think belong together.
Okay, so let's jump right into this mystery. I'm about to show you 3 pictures from totally different corners of the universe. Your mission? Find that one single thread that connects them all. You ready for this?
First up, we've got this absolutely stunning view of outer space, an astronaut floating on the edge of the cosmos. This is all about huge ideas, exploration, physics on a massive scale, the laws that hold galaxies together. Pretty cool, right? Just hang on to that thought for a second.
Now we're going to pull our focus way, way back, from the giant universe out there to the one inside our own heads. What you're looking at here is like a map of the human mind. You've got the logical, structured side, and then boom, this explosion of color and creativity. 2 very different kinds of frontiers to explore.
And for the final piece of our puzzle, a cricket ball. I know, it seems almost boring compared to the other 2, right? But hold on. Think about the physics of swing and spin, the geometry, the strategy. So let me ask you again, what on earth connects outer space, the human brain, and a game of cricket? The truth is, these images aren't random at all. Not even a little bit. They are all just different faces of one single unified challenge. And the key that unlocks this whole thing is an acronym, the IIQO. And there it is, the International IQ Olympiad. See, the IIQO is this really unique competition that mashes together art, science, and logic. It's built from the ground up to find the common threads running through fields that seem miles apart.
And make no mistake, this is a serious operation. It's all organized by the Edu-Heal Foundation, or EHF, which is a huge name in educational competitions and helping students excel.
And just to give you a sense of the scale we're talking about here, the EHF Olympiads have a massive footprint. We're talking over 4,000 participating schools. And those schools, they represent a staggering number of students, something like 600,000, that's 6 lakh, young minds all taking part in these challenges. It's got a truly global reach. Okay, so we know who runs the show, and we know it's huge. But what exactly is the IIQ's testing for? What's the challenge really about? Let's decode it. At its very core, this whole Olympiad is about one thing: recognizing patterns. It doesn't matter if you're looking at the geometric logic in a piece of abstract art or tracing the lines in a complex tech network. It's all about training your brain to see the hidden order in things. And that's a skill you need for, well, pretty much everything. But it gets even deeper. It's not just about seeing the patterns. It's about applying the rules. The same laws of science that explain what's happening in this glowing vial in a lab, those are the exact same laws that help us understand our planet from space. It connects the tiny stuff to the huge stuff, which is exactly the kind of thinking that sparks big breakthroughs. So, the bottom line is, this isn't your average test where you just memorize a bunch of facts. No way. This is a full-on workout for your brain. It's designed to sharpen your logic, your spatial awareness, your creativity, but most of all, it's about interdisciplinary thinking, the amazing skill of connecting all the dots. Now, that might sound like a pretty tall order, but the whole competition is laid out as this clear, step-by-step journey. It's a path that you climb, and it's got 3 distinct levels. The whole thing kicks off right at home with Level 1, the school-level competition. If you're a topper there, you get picked for Level 2, which is a national computer-based test. And then, the best of the best move on to the final stage, Level 3, the international competition. And let me tell you, reaching Level 3 is a huge deal, with some incredible doors opening up. I mean, imagine competing against the sharpest students from all over the world, maybe even getting a shot at something like the MIT/Harvard math tournament and bringing home honors for your country. The stakes are definitely high. But as exciting as all that is, the real reward here isn't just a medal or a piece of paper. The true value is what you carry with you long after the competition is over. When you get right down to it, this is what it's all about. It's about retraining your brain to see the world in a completely new way. It's about that aha moment when you realize the threads of logic, science, and creativity are literally woven into everything around us. The real prize is learning to see the hidden connections that secretly shape our world. So there you have it. The cipher is unlocked. The International IQ Olympiad is a challenge to see the unity in all the world's diversity.